Let us see in this video how to create a bank payment voucher for a supplier against a purchase order. A bank payment voucher for supplier against purchase order is used when a payment is made to a supplier before receiving goods or services. This voucher records the advance amount paid through a bank, check, RTGS, NEFT, transfer, and links it to the specific purchase order for tracking. Let us take an example. Bank, State Bank of India. Supplier name, Abrami Precision Works. Payment mode, check. Purchase order number, PCOD 2526000019. Amount, 45,450 rupees. GL. Account, Abrami Precision Works AP. Amount, 45,450 rupees. This slide shows the bank payment voucher workflow approval process, which consists of a two-level review and approval. First, after the entries are made by the creator, the document will be forwarded to the supervisor. To review the document, once the supervisor has reviewed it, the document will be forwarded to the manager, who has the authority to approve it. The manager will then review and approve the document. This is how the workflow functions. Let us log in with the creator's username and password to create the bank payment voucher for the supplier against the purchase order. Click the Login button. Click Financials, then Transaction, and then Payment and Receipt to navigate to the Payment and Receipt screen. Click the Pending CR Document button. The Pending CR Document button is used to view all pending credit documents related to suppliers that are yet to be adjusted or paid. It helps identify which supplier invoices, advances, or credit-related entries are still awaiting processing in the system. Click the Pending Payable Advance button. The Pending Payable Advance screen shows all supplier-related documents for which advance payments are still pending. This helps track which suppliers are yet to receive their advances against purchase orders, ensuring timely processing and better cash flow management. Select the particular document. Clicking the Create button provides two options, Single and Merge. Single is used to create a payment for a single party. This option is selected when the payment transaction belongs to only one supplier. Merge is used to create a combined payment for multiple parties using a single check bank transaction. In voucher type, there are two options, bank and cash. Choose bank. In payment mode, the available options are check, NEFT, RTGS, and TT transfer. Check is a written order to the bank to pay a specific amount from user's account to a recipient. NEFT is used to transfer money in batches between banks, usually processed within an hour. RTGS is used for fast, real-time transfer of large amounts of money between banks. TT transfer, used for the electronic transfer of money, often for international payments. Choose the date using the date calendar. Select the bank through the bank or cash field and click OK. The bank payment voucher document has been generated. Bank account number, voucher prefix, voucher number, voucher date, check mode, and reference date will be updated. Enter the check number or reference number manually, if required. Transaction currency and bank currency will be updated. Favor will be updated automatically, representing the payee name. If required, the favor field can be edited. In line details, GL account description, party name, CPC description, and amount and transaction currency will be updated. If any account is missed, it can be added through Get Document. If any document is missed, click the Add button in the line section. Then click on Pending Payable Advance to select and add the pending documents for the party. To view the selected documents, click the View button. If required, a document can be deleted, or the amount can be changed, but the amount cannot exceed the original document value. Click the Create Journal checkbox. The journal has been created. To review the journal, click the View Journal button. The party account will be debited, and the bank account will be credited. Click the Post button to forward the document to the reviewer. Click OK. The document has been forwarded to the reviewer. Navigate to the reviewer's login. Click the Login button. Navigate to the Approval screen and click the Detail button to review the document. Once the document has been reviewed, click the Approve button to forward it to the manager. Click OK. The document is then forwarded to the manager. Navigate to the manager's login. Click the Login button. Navigate to the Approval screen and click the Detail button to review the document. Once reviewed, click the Approve button to approve the document. Click OK. The document has been approved. Thank you for watching this video.